Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 21. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, young Yuner was holding her hands. Hello, I am a dollar storer and the doll that Mr. O asked me to repair has been completed. Oh, the girl seems to be cute, but what doll is it? Now, young Runer is the one who's receiving it. Sissy is not home today. I'm her girlfriend and you can give it to me and I will hand it over to her. Well, there's a lever. The girl said to her. Well, what doll's so precious? If it's broken, it should be specially repaired. Now, she was thinking about it. What kind of doll is this? Well, she got really curious, but when she opened the box, let me see what Sissy likes and there's also a reference for the gifts in the future. Now she got really surprised. This is, what a cute doll is it? It is Xiaofei. This was the toy designed by her sister. Well, she got really worried and also, she was blushing. She didn't expect it that it was here, on Oh Chance's hand. This is the doll designed by my sister. How could Oh Chance have it? Wow, looking at her face, she seems to be so happy. Well, let's see. Back to Oh Chance's stepmother, and the two of them are talking. Story Oh Chance, her stepmother said to her. Now, young Yuner, she was really serious on listening. Now, it makes sense, although you are her stepmother, you're still a member of the O family. After all, why do you want to destroy her completely? The stepmother doesn't seem to be very smart, but she can be used to trick people. Because the seat where she's sitting right now should have belonged to my son. Oh Chance's stepmother, she was gritting her teeth, and she became more emotional. So it turns out back then, 3 years ago, my son, Oh Chen Hao, died in a fire. Well, it turns out it was not only her sister who died on fire, they also the real heir of the O family. That's why her stepmother is getting angry on Oh Chancy. Only then, Oh Chancy transformed from lowly illegitimate daughter into heir of the O family. It must be that silly Oh Chancy who eliminated her. But now, looking at young Yoner, she seems to be getting angry. Turns out not her only cousins died in the fire but also the O Chen Hao, the original heir of the O family. It makes sense to her right now. She said O Chen Si is the one who stood it. Do you have any evidence? The biggest beneficiary of the fire is O Chen Si. Who else could it be if not her? O Chen Si's stepmother said to young Yoner. But they convicted the people without any evidence. Such a silly person is not even good as a heir of Sissy. Madam, I'm Sissy's girlfriend. What good will it bring me to cooperate with you? Well, she was right. Aren't you and Ochansi together for just the sake of profit, no matter what benefits she give you, 3 times much after the matter is accomplished? Oh, it really makes sense. Why must be about interest? Can it be sincere to her? Isn't it ridiculous for the people in the entertainment industry to talk about sincerity? I see, young Yuner said to her. Have you agreed to cooperate? Her stepmom said to her. Given the situation, of course, young Yuner will never agree to this. And it really makes sense. I mean, I know your background and your cards. Young Yuner said the Ocean's stepmother. Now, she was holding a cup of coffee. It seems that she's really getting impatient. What a piece of rubbish. Well, she's been flushed. Well, it seems that it was really hurtful. Maybe it was too hot. Miss O, right now. I really don't expected it. Wang Yuner, how dare you? I just dare to do it because you are just a paper tiger who is really strong on the outside but weak on the inside. I give up my love for in power. No, I will never stop her in the back for your piece of cake. Oh, Wang Yuner, she was really determined. Would you please stop insulting me with your own intelligence? Besides, I'm more Don't call her illegitimate. Her name is Oh Chen-si. Wang Yuner, she was warning her. Turns out, if she was really furious, she was really scary to deal with. Now, I am Wang Yuner, a lover of Oh Chen-si. Well, she is really determined to face Oh Chen-si's mother. Well, let's see on what will happen next. She asked the stepmother to leave. Now, her stepmother seems to be shaking. Now, she knows to herself that Wang Yuner will never help her, and she will be alone for this. The stepmother is still getting angry. Wang Yuner, you broke up with me because of her. It seems that you really have feelings for her. When that person came back, your good days will be over. So, she was pertaining to the person who's in the portrait? Well, maybe she was pertaining. It was Oh Chen-si's lover. Now, it really makes sense to her. She got really curious. Back? Well, she must really find it. Back home, it was Oh Chen-si's waiting for her. I know everything that happened today. Here to chat, I didn't mean to hide it from you. This guy is so omniscient and omnipotent, I will have to think twice before saying things. I'm sorry that I didn't handle my household affairs and cause you trouble. Oh Chen-si, she looks really apologetic to her. But Wang Yuner just seems to be making fun. Of course, right now, just apologizing is so insincere. There should be some particular actions, like for my bed tonight. Oh, she is really getting tricky. Oh Chen-si right now, she was staring at her. Then, you should already know that my background, Oh Chen-si said to her. Well, definitely she really knows everything about her, including her being a legitimate child of the O family. Are you talking about that you are the illegitimate child? Already know it. Don't sympathize with situations, let alone comfort me, Oh Chen-si said. What are you talking about? What sympathy or comfort is there a woman like you among women? Of course, she knows to herself that Oh Chen-si is a strong person. She don't need to be comforted, but now, when your stepmother called you, you know what was thinking. Now, she got really super serious. What are you thinking? Oh Chen-si is asking her. Now, it makes sense. She grabbed her hand and hold off. She want Oh Chen-si to focus on hers. Well, definitely, she got really flashing. Wang Yuner said, "You went from being to being a ruler of the O family. It's simply a strong female protagonist who gets her in the face. Cool heroine, a role model for our generation." Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!